to my channel. For those who don't know, if you've never watched any of my videos or don't know who I am, my name on YouTube and Instagram is Colorful Princess, but my name is Shania. So yeah, right now it's like 12 at night and I'm like, let me do this video. I want to hurry up and get it out the way. It's like been long overdue. So I wanted to wait until I got some more packages, but I was like anxious and I kind of already wanted to start, so I'm like, you know what, why not just go ahead and do it. Before I hop into this video, I just want to say thank you for tuning in, thank you for watching. I want to start uploading more and getting back to doing videos just for entertainment, to do something fun, to keep myself busy, you know. I was gone for a little bit, but you know, I'm back now. I feel a little bit more situated. I'm happy that I'm doing hair. I'm in cosmetology school. I'm about to graduate. But with all this going on now, it's like on pause. But so yeah, a lot of things have changed. But I'll save that for another video. And yeah, again, thank you for tuning in and let's get started. Y'all gonna see everything I bought. Okay, I have like a couple things around me. So I'm gonna start off with this package. This is easy, I assume. This is why can't I open it? Alright, hold on, let me see. See, it did come in handy. Ooh, this is exciting. Okay, so for those who don't know, again, like I said, I'm in a cosmetology school, but they didn't really teach me how to do nails, so I'm taking classes to do so. Wow, I really love them. I'm taking classes to get into nails, and you know, I'm gonna try my best, the best to my ability to do nails. But I've been ordering some things, so this is what I got. This is the first package. It came with this little thing right here, I guess, to pick it up. I like that. And these are more stones. More diamonds in your life, making you more elegant and charming. That's cute. And I like them, they're not bad. So I got like the bigger stones in here. And it came with this white pencil. I don't know, but that was cute. I'm gonna just put it back in the bag. Most of the things that we're gonna open today is like nail stuff, but I still wanted to do this. Alright, I can't open this either, so let's just tear it right here. And let's see what's this. More stones. I forgot that I ordered so many. Here I have, ooh, so these are different color stones. There's like black, green, turquoise, dark blue. Well, that's like a lime green. This is a darker green, reds. And there's kind of stones everywhere. But that's exciting too. So I didn't know I ordered this. I think I ordered colored stones somewhere else. But okay. Okay, I have another one. I wonder what it is. So I like ordered these things probably about a month ago. I had, like I said in the beginning, I got more stuff coming in. So maybe I'll do another unboxing video. I'm so excited. You guys don't understand. Like, I'm really excited. So, because I'm looking at this, I thought I ordered this somewhere else. Look at all these beautiful, guys, look at all those beautiful colors. Like, this is gonna be on my nail stuff. Like, ooh, it's on and poppy. Oh, like, I'm hyped. I don't know why I'm whispering, but I'm hyped. Alright, so I got these things right here. I'm just gonna put them back in the bag so it won't be more of a mess. I have like a good amount of things already. The woman who's gonna be helping me, she said I have a good amount, but I just can't stop ordering. Like, I bought maybe that could be another video that I do, showing all the nail polishes that I've bought already. So yeah, if you guys want to see that, just let me know. And I believe this is my monomer. It is. So this thing right here, this little buddy, was $60, I believe. But yeah, I didn't know. Like, I had the little jar, like it was like this big. It went so fast, and I was just practicing nails. So I'm like, you know what? Might as well buy this one right here. This was $60. Best believe I'm gonna be nice at nails, but I'm gonna be affordable too. Like, I want to be nice but affordable. All right, maybe I could just hop right in. So I got these two. They came in the mail not too long ago. I already opened it because this is for another project that I'm doing. But might as well show you guys. This is like self-seal poly bags. So yeah, I have these, and I bought these cute cards too, already made. I didn't want to like make them myself, which I could have, but I was just like, you know what, I'll just buy them like this. Some thank you cards, really cute. So yeah, I guess that can be another video too, explaining what I'm doing with this little project. I'm just doing stuff to keep myself occupied, you know, for the fun of it. Excuse me, for the fun of it. And yeah, like, if it goes good, I'll keep doing it, but if not, it's like I said again, it's for fun. So I have I guess I can show you guys a couple more other things, but I have one more package that came, I believe,
yesterday, the day before. I think this is my most recent package. And
I was thinking on doing another video too. I like got all these like these little videos like thought of. I was thinking of, I ordered from SHEIN, I believe. This was my first time ordering from here, so I was thinking about doing a first impression and also trying on some of the things that I ordered. This is like some underclothes.
Underclothes. I don't know if I said that right, but anyways, yeah.
This cute, like,
a few moments later.
bodysuit. Why did I forget what this was called? And this, I was excited too. This right here is a jean jacket. A jean jacket that I ordered. And yeah, I was like really, this is a bikini that I ordered too, that I'm like excited to try on and wear. So yeah, you guys can see that in another video, me trying that on. But yeah, this is a bikini. This is a pop jean jacket. Bodysuit. Oh, and the very first one that I showed, it's like a cute little PJ. I just ordered a couple things because I didn't know what it was gonna come looking like. And I also have to try it on to see if it fits and all of that. But I'm excited that it came. It didn't really take too long. I mean, I thought it was gonna take longer, but next thing you know, I'm like, oh, there's a package. I assume that's that. And I wanted to show this cute skirt that I got that I was like, should I buy it? I think I'm gonna buy it. I think it's cuter on, but it was only what? It was only $17. I was like, oh, I love it. This cute little mini skirt. I feel like the detail and color is so cute. So I'll be wearing this sometime in the nice weather. I was thinking of wearing this with like a cute white crop top, and I could either do sandals with it or some Vans or something. I don't know. Make it look cute. It's tangled here. I thought this bathing suit was cute. I was looking for another top, but I couldn't find it in my size, so I ended up just getting the one that I have now. And
hold up. So
this is the bottom. I thought it was really cute. It's like a V, and the color is nice, and I thought that would go nice with this one. I had the straps, my sister took it off, but I thought this was really cute. Look at the detail. So I was like, this with this. I'm not into two pieces. I've been more of a one piece for the past like 2 years or so. So I was like, I don't know if I should get it, but my aunt was like, get it. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna get it. But I got this one that I'm like, yo, I need it, because I like really love one pieces. And the back is out. Thought this was really cute.
you know, I know.
But yeah, in the meantime, I'm just gonna try these things on, see how they look, eat my snacks. If you guys don't know, I gotta try kettle chips, jalapeno chips with some Snickers. That's been my snack for the past like 2 months. Like, it's really good. I think it's good. My aunt's like, that's weird, but I think it's good. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. I know it's gonna be pretty short, but that's all I have for today. I really want to start getting into nails, so I'm really excited that I got these things. And once I get all the other things in the mail, I'll be doing another video and showing you guys what else I got for my nail things and some other things that I ordered, little outfits and some other stuff. So yeah, thank you guys for watching my video. If you guys can just like, subscribe, and comment, share if you can, I'll like greatly appreciate that. Like I said, I'll be getting back into YouTube just to do something fun, keep myself entertained, and yeah, show you guys what I have coming. If you guys want, you guys can follow me on Instagram at colorfulprincess__ and show love. If you guys can post my video and show love,
I'll appreciate it. I'll show love too. I'll show love right back to you guys. And yeah, stay tuned for the next one.
bye.